Passport Asset Lite is a client-server application that allows people to track items like fixed assets, capital assets, tools, or any unique item that requires a unique identifier. Users log in with their username and password. Once logged in, they get to the user interface. The user interface is very interactive in the sense that you have the help on the bottom right hand side that is that changes or adapts to the choices that people make. So for example, if you go to receive an asset, notice now you have all the relevant help topics pertaining to receiving an asset. We have navigations like home, back, forth, refresh. You can also navigate either from this life cycle control or from this ribbon or from this tree. Because these are repetitive, users, based on their choices, get to show and hide any type of control that they need. This control down here is the interaction between the desktop application and the database, and this is the interaction between the scanner and the database, where you upload your data. After an entire day of conducting transactions, you dock it, download it, view the transactions, and send it to the database. Creating assets is a simple process. Everything starts with this green button, which is at what we call at ASAP Systems, creating your ecosystem. So you click here, you pre-create your disposal methods, your suppliers, you create all the locations where your assets gonna exist within, and the application is very interactive in the sense that once you try to tag a location, you get to pick whether it's a stationary, moving pallet, or a job. And you can add as many more. So if it's a fixed location, now the application provides you the ability to enter the address of that location in the area you're trying to tag. If it's a moving location, now you have all the relevant data collection fields about moving locations. So the application adapts to the choices that you make. It also allows you to add the model numbers of your assets, the departments, the people that you have, all the way to adding your assets. The importance of adding people is because in our software you can assign an asset to a location and a person as well. Now, adding an asset is a very interactive form. You give it a barcode number, you give it a name. Now, notice down here the folder tabs. If we say this asset is a computer, now the application provides us with the relevant data collection fields about computers and what software is installed there. If your asset is a piece of furniture, the application adapts and gives you all the relevant data collection fields. So it always does that for all types of assets that you have. It also adapts to the fact if you leased it, or if you purchased it, now you have depreciation data collection fields. Beyond that, it's just a simple filling up the form, entering all the data, warranty data, upload pictures of these assets. You can assign assets to each other, so when one moves, the other one moves along with it. Upload documentation, put in some notes, and hit save. Once all of that is done, now it's just a matter of movement of the assets and end of life. So beyond that, it's you create your own reports. Reports are all self-customizable and created by you. You can also print your own barcodes and conduct transactions.